Alright, so December 9th, 2013. About 3:30 in the morning we had a fire. Electrical started in the basement and spread through the house. And so the house is going to be torn down finally. It's April 21st. And we're going to video the whole process from some of the tear down and the building of the new house. The dumpsters over here on the side now. Finally going to get started. Damage up there, the roof's all bad. Most of it was in the back. Andrew's room. There's the dining room. Well, I want to keep those pillars too. They match the front ones. They're keeping the front pillars for me. Here's the kitchen. Top porch. They tore down all this fence. Well, a lot of it. That little tree. Can we get around this way? Yeah. This building's okay. That didn't get damaged. There's the back. I'll fall here. So I'm going to come back a couple of times during the demolition and we'll see it as it comes down. The Amish group are going to come here and tear down. Let's step up here into the kitchen a minute. Pretty crazy. It's a mess in here. This was the kitchen. Stove. Over there used to be a wall. You couldn't just see through that. And that goes into the dining room there, and you can see the basement door over on the other side. Bunch of melted and burnt and water soaked and just a big mess. I'm sure Bonnie would go, hey, that's still good, that's still good. There's a bun pan. Alright, let's go back outside. Look over here on the side of the house a minute. I would like to save these. Come over with do you know where my big wrecking bar is? Is it down back, or did you see it in the basement when you were down there? Well, I thought you said you were back where the tools are.
Yeah, I went back looking for an hacksaw.
Well, if I can't find that wrecking bar, I want to get one new one and pry out all these. Me and you and James can come over and do that. Pry these all out and stack them down there by the building.
Yeah.
Because if we get the pit stop, I want to use these to make the seating area down there between the garage and the. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Here's this side. Stepping down off of here. You can see a lot of damage. That's the third floor where James was. Down into the basement. I don't know if we can see anything in there or not. That's pretty. You can see quite a bit. I didn't know if this camera would pick up that much light.
I didn't see the charge windows.
A lot of glass out here. This is where the most damage was that you can see. What about in here? Mess in there. All right. Bless you. They'll clean this all up. We're back out front now. Let's step in through the front here once. You got that grill. Grill used to be over there, and the porch swing was over here. Well, I told the Perry Yoder, the guy that's going to do the demolition, that he could, you know, get rid of that stuff. He gave it to somebody. This was the entry hall. There used to be a wall there you couldn't see straight through. This was Mom's room, her sewing room. Not much left in here. A lot of books still there. They're still going to be coming and taking stuff out that they want, so they'll probably take those books. And this was my room. This was the living room, originally the dining room of the house. There was a big, where that big hole in the wall is, was a big china cabinet built in. There's out to the kitchen. You can see straight through there into the dining room. I didn't notice that before. You can see over to the what used to be the kitchen. Originally, we used for dining room. So we can go around this way. There's a hole there. Don't want to go back that way for sure. Here's the stairway. I'm not even going to go up there. It's just more of the same. Bedrooms are charred out. There was a laundry chute right here, and the fire started right near it and just went right up that laundry chute like a chimney and burned out basically the core of the house. And the supports were burnt out, so that's the reason we have to tear it down. Wow. Well, there's a hole there too. This is not really a safe place to be. I better back out of here.
Yeah, that's about as far as I would go. When you're standing, you see the ground dip.
Yeah, well, in the wintertime, when everything was frozen, we could walk around pretty good. But now that it's spring and it's thawing, things are getting soft and it's not really safe. But let's walk over to the side and look in the side door, and then we'll be done. For this time, we'll come back and look at it when they got a lot of it tore down. I'm going to get into the side. Barely. Go up over here. Did we take that bench down to the...
I'm pretty sure.
I hope so. I wanted to keep that. Okay, we can step in the side. There's where we were standing a little bit ago. Here's the little bathroom. You can step over this way. Look up. This is the back stairs. Up. There's the dining room. Someone was definitely in here. Because a lot of this stuff, that table wasn't laying flat. So, the tea cart. In there was the snack kitchen. It's gone. You can see these wooden cabinets are built-ins. These were built-ins from the house. This was originally the kitchen. You got a set of drawers here. And this was originally the kitchen. Wonder whose glasses these are. Yeah, we all got new glasses, so it doesn't matter. Needed new prescriptions anyway. Up there was Andrew's room, above us there. It's pretty bad. Okay, that'll do for now.